Have you ever wondered what lies between Russia and the US? It's not a vast expanse of land or an ocean teeming with life, but a narrow, frigid waterway known as the Bering Strait. Spanning just 56 miles at its narrowest point, this strait serves as a chilly handshake between the two superpowers. Nestled in the heart of this icy channel are the Diomede Islands, twin islands that are split by an invisible line, the international date line. Here's a fun fact. Big Diomede is owned by Russia and is a day ahead of its sibling, Little Diomede, which belongs to the US. Imagine living a stone's throw away from tomorrow. Indeed, this intriguing space between holds many fascinating stories, from geographical wonders to time-traveling islands. So while Russia and the US might seem worlds apart, they're in fact neighbors across a chilly strait. But who, you may ask, would inhabit such a remote and cold region? Well, let's talk about the people who do. On the American side of the Bering Strait, we have the Inupiat and Yupik people, while on the Russian side, it's inhabited by the Yupik. These indigenous communities are the true custodians of this region, braving the harsh climate and isolation with a strength and resilience that is truly remarkable. The population here is not large, but it's a tight-knit community, bound together by shared traditions and a deep respect for the land. These people have uniquely adapted to their surroundings, their lives intricately woven with the rhythms of the Arctic wilderness. They've mastered the art of survival in one of the world's most extreme climates, adopting a lifestyle that leans heavily on fishing and hunting, and maintaining a rich culture steeped in ancient lore and tradition. The people here are few, but their rich culture and adaptation to the environment make the region uniquely fascinating. Now, let's navigate through the political landscape and the prospect of tourism in this region. This vast expanse is a blend of political territories, primarily belonging to the United States and Russia. Both nations have robust systems in place to guard their territories, keeping a vigilant eye on this remote stretch of land and sea. The tourism in this region is, understandably, somewhat limited. The harsh climate and political restrictions pose as significant hurdles. However, for those daring and adventurous enough, this region offers a unique and unparalleled experience. Imagine traversing through the frosty terrain, witnessing the stark beauty of the Arctic wilderness, and experiencing the thrill of being in one of the world's least visited places. Remember, however, this is not a journey for the faint-hearted. It requires careful planning, permissions, and above all, respect for the land and the few who call it home. While it's not your typical tourist destination, the region offers an experience like no other. So there you have it, a glimpse into the intriguing space between Russia and the US. A unique region, home to diverse cultures, political complexities, and untapped tourist potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world's least traversed places. Happy exploring!